Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about PayPal details. Which country is available on PayPal and you get a payment easily to bank account, PayPal to bank. And PayPal cost. PayPal cost money transfer and more than of etc. PayPal are not allow all country in the world. We have some containers here. Note: PayPal is owner is United States of America, and you can see here this country is available on PayPal right now, because more than of there is a 30 or 40 countries available in the world, because all countries are not available use this facility, because here all countries are not developed or not usable people to use phone PayPal. That's why this PayPal company are not allow all country. But I think all countries, some people, some expert people use PayPal usually, because he used a virtual card and he changed her address and identity, then he can use PayPal. I think maybe it's okay. I see which country is available on PayPal: Antarctica, Afghanistan, Cuba, Gustav Iceland, British Indian Ocean Territory, Central Africa Republic, Christmas Island, Equatorial Guinea, Latvia, I think this country is not available in PayPal. Check out this country is even PayPal not available, so this country are not available on PayPal. Pakistan, you can see Pakistan is not available, because Pakistan is a more of crime is here. Pakistan country, this is not a good developed. Pakistan people are is not useful this PayPal. That's why PayPal company is not approved to Pakistan. Then you can see Libya, Lebanon, Sudan, Serbia, Syria, Iran, Iraq is not available to PayPal. You can Europe country, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. There is a Switzerland. More of country are available on PayPal, and United States, Canada, Brazil. This country is right now available, and India, and Myanmar, Singapore, Malaysia, Australia is available on PayPal. Okay. Can PayPal use in another country? You can transfer fund between more than 200 different countries. However, PayPal is international. Transfer are not free. You will have a check the fee. How much fees PayPal $100 per cost per transaction. So $100 you can send, and then you can service charge 3.20 cent, then 3 cent, $3. Okay, how do I avoid a PayPal fee? How you can because there is more, I think. The maximum only 20 cent transaction fee, I think is good, but there is a 10 cent or 5 cent is okay, but $3 is big. Okay, let's check out how about the PayPal fee. Change how to withdraw your money when PayPal use accounting software and lower PayPal fees has to be paid. First you can think you about PayPal then you can easily but you need to PayPal use, you need to use, must be used, and you how you your fees low. Okay, asked to be paid as a friendly to friend of family, because you can use your personal friend, your family per person, then you can use a free, and you can factory PayPal is free, your payment equation, because you can because this is a family PayPal you can use you totally free, because a family is not a benefit for transaction, you can use only unit, and this PayPal United States product, this is these facilities you can use easily, you not fee to family use per person. Then you can see here is a friend and family factory, this is a totally big family and accepted to other form of payment, and this is other from you can you send any company your payment, your work, you freelancer, then you can easily payment use PayPal alternative. I told this another is okay, including PayPal tax and fees and deduction. Okay guys, thank you so much and watching my video, and subscribe my channel. I think it's better. Next video is coming. Okay.